Okay, go ahead and put your name at the top of your packet. We are going to get started with our math. Okay, so we're going to talk about part, whole today. Okay, so it says two girls bought tents from a store. One boy bought a tent from the same store. How many people bought tents in all? Write the numbers, trace the counters to show the number of people who bought tents. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys counters today when you're working on this. All right, so it says two girls. So this is one of the parts, two. And then we have one more. Okay, so what's 2 plus 1? I have 2 and I have one more. That's 1, 2, 3. 3 is my whole. So one of my parts is 2. The other part is 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. So go ahead and write that on your packet and open up your packet to see and show. Okay, so we will not do this part up here. Okay, this is just kind of showing you what to do. We'll do this part down here. Okay, it says use work mat number 3 and use counters to add. So you are more than welcome to use your counters. So use like 2 red counters and 1 yellow counter to help you, okay? All right, so it says 2 and 1. So if I have 2 and 1, I have 1, 2, 3. 3 is my whole. Okay. Now over here I have 5 and I have 3. So let's count it. I have 5 red counters. Get 5 red counters out and get 3 yellow counters out. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is my whole. Okay. And then I'm going to come over here to number 3. I need 4 red counters and I need 3 yellow counters. So let's count how many counters we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 is my whole. Okay. And now I need, for number 4, I need 2 red counters and I need 4 yellow counters. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We're going to flip our packet like a pancake. All right, I'm going to read this to you, but you guys are going to use your counters to solve these, okay? All right, so number 5, you need 3 red counters and 2 yellow counters. Count all of your counters and put your answer right here. Number 6, you need 4 red counters, 5 yellow counters. Count them and put your whole number right here of what you have all together. Number 7, you need 6 red counters and 2 yellow counters. Count all of your counters together and put your number right here. Number 8, you need 5 red counters and 2 yellow counters. Count all of them together and put your whole number right here. Number 9, you need 1 red counter and 3 yellow counters. You're going to count all of your counters together and you're going to put your number right here. Number 10, you need 4 red counters and 2 yellow counters. You're going to put your number right here. Number 11, you need 1 red counter and 2 yellow counters. Count them all together and put your number right here. And number 12, you need 3 red counters and 3 yellow counters. Count them all together and put your number right here. Remember, you can pause this video as I was going through this if you want those numbers read aloud. Pause it, count your counters, and then press play again. All right, now I'm at the back of your packet. It says Christina saw 6 deer in a field. Camilla saw 2 deer in the forest. How many deer did they see in all? So I'm going to draw a picture. I need 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. 1, 2. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to put the number 8 right here on this line. 8 deer that they saw. This one says Aaron picks 6 flowers and Cliff picks 3 flowers. He gives them to Aaron. How many flowers does Aaron have now? So let's count on from 6, okay? We got to count on 3 more. Say 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 flowers, okay? Then down here at the bottom, you are going to cross out your right math. Bring your packet up to me so I can check it. Remember, for this page right here, You were to fill out all of this on your own using your counters, okay? Okay, guys, that's it. Bring your packet up to me so I can check it and then get on iReady Math.